trail mix on the cart. While the burgers are being prepared, let's take a look. These passengers want a portion of trail mix. Serve them now. Great! Let's get back to the galley and refill. The burgers are ready. Add a burger to the tray. Good job. Now go and serve. Hey!
Attention passengers, we will be landing shortly.
You have unlocked a lemonade dispenser. Tap to put the glass into the dispenser. Wait a few moments. Done! Now drag it to the tray. Great! Over here! Hey! Oh!
Attention passengers, we will be landing shortly.
Welcome to Galley Upgrades. You can use coins you've earned to upgrade any appliance or first, let's take a look at the lemonade dispenser. Upgrading the dispenser will reduce lemonade refill time from 10 to 6 seconds. Tap here to purchase an upgrade. Close the window. Great. Now let's check this side dish. Upgrading trail mix will increase its value. Tap here to purchase an upgrade. Great! Tap here to continue to level selection. Out of trays. Let's search for some spare ones. This passenger has finished eating and wants you to take his tray. Great! Now you can serve the other passengers.
Attention passengers, we'll be landing shortly.